Hi guys, today we're going to see a new toy my grandma has gifted to me, and this is the toy I have, or maybe they give me. Yeah, they give me this little boat. Hi, this is a boat that they have given me. It's so incredible. Look at that. It's super cool. It flies. It goes very well. Now we're going over here. It goes very fast. Let me drift. Drift and be like. Like, don't hit that rock. Wait. Okay, guys, we got stuck, but we made it. Now it's going over there. Drifting. Well, now let's go back. I'm scared it goes away because of the waves. Because the waves goes like that way, and I'm going the opposite way. Come on, over here. Yeah, we have made it. Oh, and my cat, he always follows me when I'm going somewhere. Like in the woods right here, he always follows me. He likes to be in the woods. He always follows me. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna show my brother how to drive this little boat. So I'm gonna teach him. So first, okay, so I kind of teach him how to drive my toy, and I kind of teach him how to drive the toy. My brother didn't know that much, so I'm just gonna try a little bit. Okay, go. Yeah, so I'm going right here.